Getting rid of groundhogs can be challenging, but there's some simple, effective methods. Number one, identify burrows. So look for their burrows, which are typically located near fences, walls, or garden areas. Groundhogs often leave piles of dirt outside of their entrances. Number two, repellents. Use natural repellents like cayenne pepper, garlic powder, commercial repellents. Sprinkle these all around your garden and it's going to deter the groundhogs due to their strong scents. So number three, physical barriers. Install a fence around your garden. Make sure it's at least 3 feet high and buried about a foot underground to prevent them from digging underneath. So basically traps. Use human traps to capture these groundhogs. Bait them with fruit and vegetables. Once they're caught, check local regulations for safe relocation options. All right? Now, remove attractants. So keep your garden free of fallen fruit and vegetables and other sources that might attract groundhogs. And get professional help if it persists. If they're still there, consider pest control experts who specialize in wildlife removal. And basically using a combination of these methods can help manage groundhog populations effectively.